It's ginormous. It's so big. Thank you. Really heavy. There we go.
Oh, okay. There we go.
They're all spinning! Yeah!
Is there one? There's definitely a wire caught somewhere.
Oh my god! It's fine. It's fine. I'm so sorry, my precious PC.
Anyway, I don't have much else planned per se, but I really want to talk about my experiences. First thing off the bat, building a PC is very rewarding, but it is so tedious. I had gotten all my parts and from Micro Center, and I was back at my apartment at like 9 p.m. And you know what I said? I said, let's build this. I said, let's do this. I gave up at like 2 a.m. I was only inserting my CPU cooler. Like, a little embarrassing. You need to dedicate time to do it. It really is an all-day affair, especially for your first time, I fear. Daisy chaining wires is a humiliation ritual, right? But you will get through it. You will get through it. Mounting bottom fans? Not my favorite. I had to redo it a couple of times because I would get them reversed the wrong way. The way that I was putting my fans, I had to put my fans backwards because of the way that my intakes, it's just the way I positioned my intakes for my computer, and it was a whole mess, and it was just a lot. It didn't take a lot of energy to do, but a lot of mental fortitude to correct, right? That's the big thing, if you did anything wrong. I thought that putting in the CPU would be, the scariest thing. That was done in 2 minutes. Now, snapping the GPU, that was a little scary. Every time I touched my GPU, I think I peed a little bit. it was really scary. It's very humbling holding like a chunk of your rent in your hands. Yeah, but it was definitely worth it, and I think that also I got a lot of good deals at Micro Center. The concept of going to a Micro Center is a beautiful privilege not many have, right? Sorry, boys. I got Micro Center privilege now. Watch out. I'm really excited to test my waters with 3D printing. I really wanted to use Fusion 360 and try and see if I can do a little thing here or there. I practiced editing some videos and using DaVinci Resolve. My Mac was not able to download anything else, and I couldn't even test it out on my Mac, unfortunately. But I tested it already. Love it. I will be probably editing this video also on DaVinci. If you ever wonder why there's an increase in color grading, I've leveled up a little bit. There's that. I've already been playing The Sims a lot. I really want to get Baldur's Gate, but the funny thing is I'm trying to become a YouTuber. I'm trying to post more content, and then I'm also just like, let me download a game that'll make you disappear for weeks. I still like Mac for productivity. I think it's a privilege to be able to use multiple OSs, and don't let the Apple fanboys or the Windows fanboys get to you. I think access to both technologies is a privilege and fun, and we can explore the limits of them both. But anyway, all in all, I'm very thankful that I was able to build my PC. I hope you guys enjoyed a lot.